Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add Twitter feed app to Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open Shopify app store. So type here shopify.com/apps and search here Twitter feed. And here we can see the Twitter feed app. So select this one and click on add app, and select an account and click on install app. And here you can see the Twitter feed app successfully installed to my Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.